Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Apple crumb cheesecake. And these are the ingredients for the crust. Melted butter, nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, and graham crackers. First thing is we're going to put them in a food processor and mix them together. Next, we will add the brown sugar to the crust and the cinnamon. And also the nutmeg. I use fresh nutmeg because the bottle loses its flavor after a while. We blend it up to a fine crumb texture. Now we add the melted butter in. I think I'll add a little bit more graham crackers to the processor. Now we're going to add the melted butter. Then I'm going to put it in this pie pan here. Going to press the crumbs into the pie pan. I've added the graham cracker crumbs to the pie pan. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a circle bottom and we press it against the pan. Or you can use your fingers if you choose to. You want to press it all against the edges. I'm going to use my hands. It's much easier for me to press it down, get a compact press. And then after we do this, we put it in the oven for 10 minutes and set your oven to 350 degrees. Now let's move on to making the filling for the apple crumb cheesecake. These are the ingredients we will be using. Cream cheese, sour cream, granulated sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract, and eggs. But we're not going to put the eggs in now. We're going to blend these ingredients together. Now we got to scrape the edges down. Now we're going to add an egg one at a time. Let's see. Scrape it down one more time. And then we blend it again for about 1 more minute. I've just taken the cheesecake crust out of the oven, and now we're going to let it cool. So let's move on to making the apple crumb topping for it. This is the apple that I have here that I've diced up. And we're going to put some granulated sugar on the apple, the diced apples. We're going to mix that up. The next thing is we're going to add cinnamon, brown sugar, and butter to the apples. We're going to mix this up. And we're going to add some all flour to the apple mixture. Then we're going to take our hand and mix this up to turn it into crumbs. See it? The crumbs? Let's assemble the cheesecake. This is the filling. The next thing is we're going to put the apple crumb over the top of it. Set your oven 350 degrees. And we're going to bake the apple crumb cheesecake for an hour and 20 minutes. And after an hour and 20 minutes, we're going to take it out and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Welcome back. This is the finished product that was in the refrigerator overnight. Now that it have set, I have cut a piece to show you how it came out. Here you have it. Apple crumb cheesecake. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.